Taking the level set assessment at home. Strategies to support your success. Why take the level set assessment now? Remember how you used to, or still do, look forward to seeing how much taller you had gotten from one doctor's appointment to the next? You'll take level set for that exact same reason, to see how your reading confidence has grown this year. What to expect. Short reading passages followed by multiple choice questions, between 30 to 40 questions in total. Some questions may seem easier, while others may feel more challenging. No feedback provided if your answer was correct or incorrect. No final score provided. Your current reading level will be sent to your teacher. Before you start, be sure your laptop or tablet is charged and ready to go. Find a quiet space to work with little to no distractions. Turn off your TV or gaming devices and put away your phone. Challenge yourself to do your absolute best. Log on to Achieve 3000, which will immediately prompt you to take level set instead of completing a lesson. As you work, slow down and read each passage carefully. Use strategies learned in class to help you take a break if needed by simply logging out of Achieve 3000. When you return, you will pick back up where you left off. Do not ask for help from a family member. This assessment requires that you work independently to be sure that your reading level is accurate. Be sure to not select answers randomly and too quickly. If you do, your teacher will be alerted to have you retake the assessment. Take your time and good luck.